Assalamualaikum. At the beginning of the video, I will show you a video. This video has come to RPM to run this head. More than 49 RPM came in this video. If you want to get an RPM like this, watch the entire video. In this video, I will tell you how to bring the most RPM into a video. I will show you the process of the beginning more RPM to the video. Like my video, it is more important for you to know the process before uploading video to YouTube. You can also bring RPM like my video if you want. Watch this video, then you will know everything. If you do not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. So